Please note, to prevent tangling of the chain, do not attach all the chains before starting to attach the pendant pieces. Open number 1 pack and hang a crystal ball on the number 1 line, and then repeat same actions in the order of numbers separately. Always follow the number. Patience, repetition, and you'll achieve such a beautiful chandelier. If you need any help, please contact our customer service for any questions. Our service email info@intmossi.com. You can also access Amazon buyer messaging service for your convenience. Thank you.